Have you ever wondered what it feels like to live in a city where the future already exists? Today we are exploring Dubai and its luxury lifestyle and skyscrapers that redefine modern travel. From golden deserts to glowing towers, this city feels like a vision brought to life. Watch till the end and tell me which part of Dubai amazed you the most in the comments. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe for more cinematic travel journeys. 10. Burj Khalifa and the tallest skyline on Earth. Burj Khalifa stands as the tallest building in the world, dominating the entire Dubai skyline. Its height reaches into the clouds, creating views that feel unreal from the top floors. The observation decks offer panoramic views of desert sea and endless city lights. At night, the tower lights up with synchronized shows and glowing patterns. The engineering behind it represents human innovation at its highest level. Surrounding skyscrapers form a futuristic skyline unlike anywhere else on Earth. It feels like humanity is touching the clouds here, where glass, steel and light come together to show how far imagination and engineering can truly go. 9. Downtown Dubai and City of Lights experience. Downtown Dubai is the heart of luxury living and modern urban design. Massive towers surround luxury hotels, shopping malls and entertainment centers. Dubai Mall is one of the largest shopping destinations in the world. The Dubai Fountain creates water shows synchronized with music and lights. Streets are clean, modern and designed for a perfect city experience. Night views transform the entire area into a glowing digital landscape. People from all cultures gather in this vibrant global city center. Downtown Dubai feels like a perfect mix of luxury and energy. It feels like every street is carefully designed for beauty and experience, where modern architecture and entertainment create a constant sense of wonder and excitement. 8. Palm Jumeirah and man-made island wonder. Palm Jumeirah is one of the most famous artificial islands in the world. Shaped like a palm tree, it stretches into the Arabian Gulf. Luxury hotels and resorts line the curved island branches. Private beaches and villas offer exclusive oceanfront living. Aerial views show one of the greatest engineering achievements on Earth. Water sports and yacht experiences are popular around the island. It feels like the ocean was shaped by design here, where land and water merge into a perfect symbol of luxury, innovation and creative ambition. 7. Dubai Marina and futuristic waterfront living. Dubai Marina is a stunning waterfront district filled with skyscrapers. Tall glass towers reflect the water and night city lights. Luxury yachts line the marina, creating a rich lifestyle view. Restaurants and cafes offer global cuisine by the water. Walkways are filled with people enjoying the night atmosphere. Bridge lights and reflections create cinematic visuals everywhere. The area is designed for modern urban luxury living. Dubai Marina feels like a city built on water and light. It feels like a futuristic dream where water mirrors glass towers, and every reflection turns the entire skyline into a moving piece of modern art. 6. Desert safari and golden sand adventures. The Dubai desert offers a completely different side of the city. Endless golden sand dunes stretch across the horizon. 4x4 dune bashing brings thrilling adventure across the desert. Camel rides give a traditional Arabian travel experience. Sunset in the desert creates breathtaking orange skies. Dubai desert feels like raw nature behind modern luxury. It feels like stepping into another world just minutes away from skyscrapers, where silence replaces noise and endless sand replaces glass towers. 5. Burj Al Arab and 7-star luxury hotel. Burj Al Arab is one of the most luxurious hotels in the world. Its sail-shaped design makes it an iconic architectural landmark. The hotel is located on its own private island. Interiors are filled with gold accents and luxury design elements. Guests experience world-class service and hospitality. Private beaches and suites offer unmatched comfort. It represents extreme luxury and exclusivity in tourism. Burj Al Arab feels like the definition of luxury itself. 4. Dubai Mall and Entertainment Universe. Dubai Mall is one of the largest shopping malls on Earth. It contains thousands of stores from global luxury brands. Aquarium and underwater zoo attract millions of visitors. Ice rinks, cinema and entertainment zones offer endless activities. Fashion shows and events are held throughout the year. Indoor waterfalls and architecture create stunning visuals. It feels like an entire universe of shopping, entertainment and luxury experience exists under one roof where time disappears completely. 3. Dubai Night Skyline and Glowing Future City. Dubai at night transforms into a glowing futuristic masterpiece. Skyscrapers shine with lights reflecting across the water. Highways and roads create streams of moving light. The skyline looks like a digital city from the future. Hotels and towers light up in synchronized patterns. Boat cruises offer stunning nighttime city views. The reflection of lights creates a magical atmosphere. Dubai night feels like a city alive with energy. It feels like the entire skyline is breathing light, where every building contributes to a glowing futuristic landscape that never stops shining. 2. Expo City Dubai and Innovation Hub. Expo City Dubai represents innovation, sustainability, and future technology. It showcases ideas from countries around the world. Architectural designs focus on eco-friendly urban living. Interactive exhibitions highlight future science and technology. Smart city systems demonstrate advanced living concepts. Public spaces are designed for global collaboration. It represents Dubai's vision for the future of humanity. Expo City feels like a blueprint of tomorrow's world. It feels like stepping into the future itself, where innovation, sustainability, and human creativity come together to shape what cities might look like in the coming decades. 1. Luxury lifestyle in Dubai and modern dream living. Dubai offers one of the most luxurious lifestyles in the world today. From private yachts to luxury cars, everything feels premium. High-end hotels offer unmatched comfort and service quality. Fine dining restaurants serve global gourmet cuisine. Shopping experiences include the world's top luxury brands. Beaches, deserts, and city life exist in perfect balance. Every experience feels designed for comfort and elegance. Dubai lifestyle feels like living inside a modern dream. It feels like reality itself has been upgraded here, where every moment is filled with luxury, convenience, and a sense of living in the future. Dubai shows how ambition and imagination can transform a desert into one of the most futuristic cities on Earth. Tell me which part of Dubai you would visit first in the comments below. Share this video with someone who loves luxury travel and modern cities. Subscribe for more cinematic travel experiences around the world. Your future adventure might already be waiting in Dubai.